guys, it's Mel. Just a quick one today. Yesterday I made a video for you that was talking about ending, relisting and doing a sell similar on the oldest listings that you have within your store. And I thought you could only see those old listings by going into your sales and marketing promotions. But I was wrong, and thank you to everyone who corrected me. You can actually customize your active listing screen by adding in a column that will help you search for all your active listings by the original date that they were listed. For anybody else who's like me who never even knew it existed, let's take a look. Go to your active listings, come down here to customize table, click over here to the start date, press save. So now you can actually view your active listings easily by start date. You can see exactly how old your oldest listings in your store are, and you can go through your items one by one and see which items might need revising, might need refreshing, and might need ending and doing a sell similar to tweak anything in that listing that might need fixing. So if you missed why it's so important to be looking at the oldest listings within your store, I'm going to link the video here. You can go back and watch it. Thanks, guys.